Welcome to the AMT10 series installation tutorial, where we'll outline the steps required to accurately mount an AMT10 encoder onto a motor. Begin by inserting tool A as a spacer that defines the distance to the mounting surface. Slide the appropriate side sleeve onto the shaft and all the way down to tool A. Slide the shaft adapter over the sleeve. Use tool B to press the shaft adapter over the sleeve until it is flush with tool A. Remove tools A and B. Use tool B as a centering tool for mounting the AMT10 base onto the motor. Carefully engage the groove in tool B to align with the flange on the base. Slide the base and tool B onto the motor, centering onto the shaft adapter. Fasten the base onto the motor. Remove tool B. Slide the AMT10 top cover onto the base, carefully observing that the teeth of the shaft adapter align with the grooves in the hub. Make sure that the snaps are fully engaged and the top cover is flush with the base. When installation is finished, the shaft adapter should be about flush with the front of the encoder, and the motor shaft should rotate freely. Thank you for watching our AMT10 series installation tutorial.